Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you some of the hardware and software features of FOMA, that is Fiber Optical Monitoring Alarm System. Radiantech Incorporation designed and developed this integrated system with laser electronics, precision machinery, firmware, software, communication protocols and database. The hardware component of FOMA system is adopt modularized design slot plugins related to promote the expansion and double power. All modules are supporting hot swaps and that is convenient to maintain. FOMA RTU hardware system integrated with microcontroller unit, optical channel switch, optical time domain reflectometer, optical power meter, power unit, WDM module, RCM, video unit, network laser source unit and GSM server. Let's see some hardware and software features of FOMA system. FOMA embedded with 32 bits microprocessor and Linux operation system with the advantage of high security, stability and efficiency. It has centralized network architecture to reduce unnecessary expenditure, highly integrated design, adopt double architecture ARM9 and ARM7. Slotted hardware relation with highly expanding character and highly convenient maintenance. Also, web-based management of the system enables fully automated remote device upgrade. And design on demand concept can streamline and increases hardware based on customer demand. In this picture, you can see the difference between our architecture with the traditional architecture, where data center can manage multi-FOMA systems in various locations through TCP or IP network. FOMA system has online monitoring and offline monitoring system, where in online monitoring system, test wavelength and operating wavelength combine in a fiber via WDM device by using filter to filter out the test wavelength and let the operating wavelength pass. Online monitoring is to put a splitter in the root and separate 3 to 5% of the light to get the data. In offline monitoring system, use the backup fiber. The fiber network system is easy to set up and maintain. Here, test wavelength can be the same with operating wavelength. FOMA system provides kinds of alarm functions, feedback and fault message in very short time. It also offers remark column to let users input event information in event alarm window. FOMA system is equipped with the function of fiber monitoring, testing, fiber loss, break alarm, fiber status measurement, fiber cable breakage analysis and fault cause analysis by history data. FOMA can display analytical report after detect the status of fiber. Manager can discover the fiber degradation by history data. When fault happens, system will alarm breakage route automatically and show in red. Red route will be changed to green route when optical fiber repaired. FOMA software system provides 3 types of tests, that is specified test, periodic test and alarm test. Specified test, also called as manual test, specify the remote optical fiber to be tested completely and receive the test results. You can keep the transmission characteristics of optical fiber. In periodic test, user can set up OTDR to work with OCS module to monitor the quality of the fiber periodically and collect, analyze, print and manage the data of RTU via client. In alarm test, OPM finds the abnormal optical power, OCS device will switch to the abnormal path, OTDR device is started to test automatically and then result is to be compared with the history data and analyzed to find the fault location.